Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to get monetized on your Rumble account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Rumble, have verified your account, and then you are able to participate in the partnership program for Rumble. So you will have the ability to monetize your brand and your content. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to rumble.com. We will use the shortcut within the bookmarks toolbar, and I've set it so it takes me to all my content. Let's click on Rumble. And there we go. We have all the content that we are uploading to the Rumble account. As you can see on the right top corner of every video, it shows that it is monetized. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will now upload a video and take you through the step-by-step guide as to how long it could take for a video to get monetized. So let's now turn the attention to another tab. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Let's go to content. Let's go to the date of the videos. Let's filter to what was uploaded first to the YouTube channel. And so let's go back to Rumble. And the next video in line, which is part of the scheduled videos, is C++, Java, and let's go to the end or the last video on the list. So we can then filter, so how to unzip a .zip file, what's after that. And so the next video that we will be uploading to my Rumble account is how to save battery life on a Mac computer. That's fine. Let's now turn the attention to our external hard drive. Go to Computer Science Videos. Let's now increase the size of the Finder window. Let's now go to Videos. Let's now filter and go to that video that we will be uploading. Let's now take that video, copy the video, paste to the desktop. Let's now close Finder for the moment. Let's go back to our YouTube channel and let's download the thumbnail for the purpose of this tutorial. Save to our desktop. Image to the desktop. Let's close that tab. Let's go back to Rumble, and this video will be scheduled for the 15th of April at 1 o'clock. That's fine. Upload a video, upload, select video to upload. There we have it on the desktop. Let's change to icons, upload. Let's change our thumbnail. Let's go back to our YouTube channel and the video we are on. Highlight the title, copy and paste. Go back again. Command A to highlight, Command C to copy the description. Paste. Let's take the tags. Copy all. Go back to Rumble. Paste all the tags. Let's now edit the title if we wish to. How to save battery life. On a MacBook Pro, basic tutorial, new video, and we will schedule this for, let's just say, the 15th of March at 1 o'clock. This will be in the afternoon. So that video itself has now been uploaded. Click on upload, Rumble only, provide your social media. Computer Science Videos. I've not signed an exclusive agreement with other parties. That's correct. We have read the terms and services. Submit. This should take some time to submit. And so the video itself has been uploaded to my Rumble account. Let's go back to all the videos. And there we have it. Ready to share. Monetization is pending. Now, what does this really mean? Let's copy that information. Highlight. Command C to copy. Go to the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the help icon. What are you looking for? Let's search for articles. Command V to paste. Let's click on the first search result that we have. Your video shows ready to share, monetization pending. What does it mean? Well, approval to monetize the videos can take up to 1 to 5 days. So it's all now a waiting game. Wait the time. Within that time limit or period, you should have your content monetized depending on what's being said in the videos. Yeah, so let's click on X. And so we know that we have uploaded a video which we wish to monetize. Their system usually takes 1 to 5 days for it to be viewed and then monetized, and you should see the green monetized box to let us know that the video is advertiser friendly and is monetized, and then you can therefore make money on your content on your Rumble account. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.